The comfort zone is the great enemy of courage and confidence. The further you get away from yourself, the more challenging it is. Not being in your comfort zone is great fun. Coming out of your comfort zone is tough in the beginning, chaotic in the middle, and awesome in the end. Because in the end, it shows you a whole new world. Make an attempt. Each one of us has a comfort zone. The problem comes when we are unwilling to leave it. Sometimes we have to step out of our comfort zones. We have to break the rules. And we have to discover the sensuality of fear. We need to face it, challenge it, and dance with it. You have to be uncomfortable in order to be successful, in some ways. If you stay in your comfort zone, you would never do the things that you need to do. Comfort is your biggest trap, and coming out of your comfort zone is your biggest challenge. You should not remain in your comfort zone. If you want to make it big, you must challenge yourself, get out of your comfort zone, and succeed in doing well outside of your comfort area. Even the smallest changes in our daily routine can create incredible ripple effects that expand our vision of what is possible. One has to move from one's comfort zone to challenge oneself. The desire to live within our comfort zone and to be in control all the time is a denier of a fulfilling life that excites me. Let go. It's not about getting out of your comfort zone to reach your goal. It's about widening your comfort zone so far that your goal fits comfortably inside. Once you do that, hitting your goals will be like hitting threes for Steph Curry. Zone into your comfort zone, then zone into where you want to be. Be all that you can be. We have to be honest about what we want and take risks rather than lie to ourselves and make excuses to stay in our comfort zone. In the long run, our comfort zone becomes our uncomfortable zone. The comfort zone is a psychological state in which one feels familiar, safe, at ease, and secure. You never change your life until you step out of your comfort zone. Change begins at the end of your comfort zone. You get diminishing returns when you are restricted to your comfort zone. The comfort zone has the most comfortable bed in life, where dreams become alive in your mind but never become a reality because you never get up from bed to make it happen. Sometimes it is good to be in uncomfortable situations because it is in finding our way out of such difficulties that we learn valuable lessons. My comfort zone is like a little bubble around me, and I've pushed it in different directions and made it bigger and bigger until these objectives that seem totally crazy eventually fall within the realm of the possible. Don't let your life goals fall victim to the allure of comfortable routines. Better to step out of your comfort zone, enjoy new experiences, and not know what's coming your way, than stick to routines and be bored with the same end results. When you cross your comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone, and growth zone, you will enter into the zone of leadership. Step outside of your comfort zone and go beyond the boundaries that you and others have set for yourself. Magic and mystery lie on the edge, just outside the comfort zone. The best things in life are often waiting for you at the exit ramp of your comfort zone. Greatness isn't found in your comfort zone. Comfort zones are overrated. When you embrace the unfamiliar and uncomfortable in all areas of life, your progress will start soaring. If lies are more comforting to you than facts, you need to get out of your comfort zone. If you want to be excellent at something, you must move away from your comfort zone and overcome doubt, setbacks, and failure. Never give up. Keep plugging away and being persistent. One day, success will be yours. The only thing that is stopping you from where you are to where you want to go is your comfort zone. To succeed in life, we must stay within our strength zone but continually move outside our comfort zone. As you move outside of your comfort zone, what was once unknown and frightening becomes your new normal.